Visual Python. Visual Python is a program designed to assist non-data scientists in data analysis. Even if you are not a programmer, there is no problem at all. With just a few clicks, you can easily handle everything needed for data analysis without writing a single line of code. Today, I'm gonna introduce you the installation method of Visual Python. There are 4 ways to install Visual Python. Non-installation version. Installation in Jupyter Notebook. Installation in Jupyter Lab. Installation in Google Colab. Each method is explained in separate chapters, so please refer to the one that suits you. The non-installation version is designed for those who want to enjoy Visual Python without installing it, or for those who do not use platforms compatible with Visual Python, such as Jupyter Notebook. Despite being the non-installation version, there are no specific functionalities that do not work or are restricted, so you don't need to worry about that. This is the main screen of the Visual Python website. Please click on the green button labeled Visual Python Online. Jupyter Lite will be launched. Then, open a new Python window. Click on the orange icon located on the right side of the screen, and that's it. You can see various features of Visual Python. These features will be introduced one by one in the upcoming videos. Visual Python in Jupyter Notebook. Simply follow the 2 lines of code I'll provide. After launching Jupyter Notebook, enter the first code. Once the execution is complete, enter the second code. After completing the execution, refresh the page. You will see the Visual Python icon in the top toolbar. Click on that icon to launch or close Visual Python. Visual Python in Jupyter Lab. Launch the Jupyter Lab and simply enter the following code. After completing the execution, refresh the page. You will see the Visual Python icon on the right side of the screen. Click on that icon to launch or close Visual Python. Visual Python in Google Colab. This is the main screen of the Visual Python website. Please click on the G button. Then, install the Visual Python for Colab by clicking the Download button. After launching Google Colab, you can run and stop Visual Python by using the extension button. Isn't it too simple? Visual Python comes with a variety of features, and the usage and application of those features are just as easy and straightforward, as we've seen in today's introduction of how to install Visual Python. Starting from the next video, we will introduce each features one by one. If you need more detailed explanations about the content of this video, please check the comments. Are you not a data scientist or a programmer? You can become an expert faster and easier than anyone else. Visual Python.